Guys, so we are heading out for our dinner on the yacht. My girls looking good, looking fresh. You guys say hi.
Someone else, no one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive.
Guys, this place is so pretty. It's so beautiful. It's so beautiful. Yes. Yes. Guys, that's our yacht over there. That's our yacht. Hey, 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 hey. This view is sick. It is so sick. What?
Troubles to rest, blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just
Yes, you can go. 3.
Yeah.
She's my special guest. This is your
Lady at the restaurant at the hotel. She's like, I love your hairstyle. I said, thank you. Oh. It's fake and more.
I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down, feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars, I wanna drive a faster car. I've been feeling so small, watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try.
Yes, it's true. For us, baby. Now we dey run this town. Hey, come on, guys. We just finished from the marina. We had a lovely cruise.
You will not find the other boss, so they leave us here. We're doing guys. We just finished.
Our boss has left us. We had a lovely cruise, guys. Lovely cruise. Lovely dinner. And now we're going back to the hotel. Oh, we've been everywhere. We found our driver. Oh my god. Hi. I'm good. That's our driver.
Pickup is old ladies, sexy.
Thank you. DJ Dutch.
DJ Dutch.
DJ
Drop that
Dutch
too.
on the beat.
On the beat now. Where is he low?
Yeah.
So if we put in 345 now, so you go to switch music.
On our hotel rooftop, guys. We're about to have a nice night out on the rooftop. Okay.
You know somebody in Nigeria.
Party.
Frozen. This is frozen. My dad is frozen. It's frozen.
Yeah. Thank you.
We thought it was on the glass at first.
I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes.
Good morning, guys. Hope you guys are doing great. So it is Monday today and it's literally 9 a.m. but we are going to the pool this morning to check out the hotel pool. So yeah, we're going to check out the pool because we'll be checking out of this hotel today into a different place. So we need to, you know, experience everything else that this hotel has to offer.
I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of me. You had me at alone. I don't understand why you're thinking of me.
Take our pictures. Oh my god. Go ahead, Sandeep. It's always like that when you're entering. Enter. Oh, fuck, give me die for here. I beg they have enter inside the water. The front side is gonna come out, baby. See this fish. And I was asking you whether you know how to swim. You say a little. This is not a little, this is a lot. Guys, we're checking out of our beautiful hotel. I'm going to miss this place. So pretty. Oh, by the way, I'm wearing BB artistry today. My kaftan. Hamza, hold it. Let them see my kaftan very well. Yeah. Big woman sense. Big woman sense. Big woman sense. Adacha, I'm going to miss this place. So pretty. Aww.
Can you take our look? I doubt it. We have to go to them.
to our new place. This is more like an apartment. We stayed at a hotel last, but this is more like an apartment, and oof, it's beautiful. The view, in fact, let me give you guys a tour of what this place is looking like. Okay, all right, so this is me standing just outside the front door. When you come in, you have wardrobes on the left, white wardrobes all the way down, bigger than where we were staying the last time, to be honest. Really pretty. And then on the right is the bathroom. Okay, there's some frames here, 1 and 2, and then bathroom is right here. Bathroom is pretty, very pretty. That's me. Hey. So there's this big ass mirror here with the backlight. You guys know I'm obsessed with backlights. There is a sink here, so wash hand towel here. We have some bathroom supplies here, shower cap, shaving kits, brush. They even gave us toothbrush, safe, and toothpaste. Over here, soap and body lotion. This is the shower area. Very, very, very beautiful. Over here we have shampoo, shower gel, conditioner. I love this, really nice. Then this is a toilet area. Just toilet. I love the pop of green here. And yeah, the bathroom is very clean. I love clean bathrooms. You guys know this. I love clean bathrooms. We have towels under the sink right there. On the left we have like a little, this thing is like used to open like locker. So you know what I think it's so I love these chairs. I love them. Some of our luggage is here. That's my bag. But then yeah, a table. Above the table there's a frame, really pretty. And on this side we have our little kitchenette. We have a washing machine over here. We have a nice deep sink over here. See Hamsa and Adacha's bags. Microwave oven. They even give us water safe and tea. It's a toaster, kettle. What is this? What is this? This coffee maker. Yeah, coffee maker. There's a stove. There's an oven. Got our drinks over here, and plenty of cupboard space. Where is the fridge? Oh, this is the fridge, guys. Looks just like the cupboard. Oh, nice. Nice. Okay, that's the freezer part right there. And then a lot of cupboard space. We have gold cutlery. No time to cook in this Dubai. If not, cooking would have been such a pleasure. And we have all of this as well. Our plates, knives over here. And it's really tall as well. Plates. Wine glasses. No. Pop. See our various drinks now. So we now have glasses to match. And mugs for tea. Tumblers for water. This is our TV area. TV. So this is our bed. And we also have a little sofa couch bed thing here too, with some really nice frames over it. And the best part, guys, is the view from this place. I want to see what this place looks like at night. It's crazy. But let's show you guys what is outside here. So we have a veranda. We have a sitting place in a veranda. Guys, this place is tall AF. Like, the view here, I'm even scared. It's so tall. I think we're on the 16th or 17th floor. It's so damn tall. But this is our view. Look at that. Very nice view. At night, the view is going to look sick. Absolutely sick. But yeah, guys, we are in downtown. And yeah, this is quite exciting. I'm happy about this. Very happy. I'm already drinking wine. Cheers to the good life.
Much later.
So guys, I am at Outlet Mall. As a matter of fact, this is a third mall I'm visiting since I came to Dubai. All we have been doing since we got here is jumping from mall to mall. These girls came to shop till they drop. At this point, I've spent all my money. In fact, please send funds. Send funds. Somebody should send funds to my dollar account because my enemies are after me. Yeah, the malls in this country are just ridiculously big. In fact, this particular mall that I'm at right now, called Outlet Mall, is even one of the smallest malls because 2 days we went to Dubai Mall and Mall of the Emirates. I don't think I've covered those malls fully because it's a lot. It's just a lot, to be honest. And when you're going to these malls, you gotta hold your money, you gotta hold your dollar card because you're gonna be swiping cards and bringing out cash and all those things. 3 days I've been here and I'm putting an end to shopping today. You guys know how it is. If you're not watching and you're from Nigeria, basically when you travel, you definitely have to buy things for people. But in my own case, when it comes to buying things for people when I travel, I mean my immediate family, my mom, my dad, my siblings, my husband, my daughter, maybe my sister-in-law and her kids, and that's where it ends. I don't even buy, like, since I got here, I've not bought anything tangible for myself. Okay, well, aside this, my handbag and a couple of other things. But to be honest, I haven't really bought anything tangible since I got here. I've been shopping for family since I got here, and I'm putting an end to that today. I'm not buying anything else anymore. I'm gonna spend the remaining parts of my trip just enjoying tours and all of that. It's crazy. But anyway, guys, let me link up with these girls because I have to call them now, find out what store they are in. No more shopping, no more malls after today. No more. You're right.
Yeah. It's pretty, you.
This is what happens when you travel without luggage. Now they are buying luggage. Now they are buying luggage. But luggage is expensive, sha. Kai. But once you've bought it, you've bought it. I love this set. If I didn't travel with 2 boxes already, 2 big boxes already and a hand luggage, I would have gotten this set because I really like it. It's really cute and very durable. I think my dad bought this one on his trip to Dubai last. Yeah, I think he got this one. Very, very good buy.
It was better than the one upstairs.
I love, no, yeah. No, those ones upstairs, they don't really have like. It's nice, very nice box. You're buying that one too, baby. Guys, let me show you guys the balcony view at night. We just got back, by the way, and see lighting in the room to even start with. See lights. See how we are glittering. Let me show you guys what the balcony. This one's our floating food. We're no longer in a hotel. We're now in an apartment. See food everywhere. Ah, the view from here is looking like. Okay, guys. Ah, the view from here is sick. It is sick. I don't even want to get too close to the railing, like the glass, because it's so damn high. We're on the 16th floor, so like, guys, hey, look at just the view is just absolutely ridiculous from this angle. I wanted to use view and finish us in this place today. God, nightlife, night view, night line, skyline, everything is so beautiful in this city. Nah, man, nah. This apartment was a very good decision, like, honestly. What? Wow.
A while since you did it. Come here, your wine glass. I drink.
Yes, it's about to be lit up in here. What's for ding ding?